PC Show Me.
Welcome back to PC Show Me. I'm Jim, for those of you that don't know me. Today, I wanted to just really quick show you one of the features in Runway ML's Gen-3 alpha. It's image to video, and it's so cool. Take a look at this. Okay, if you look over here, this picture on the left is me setting up Sunday morning before we played. Nobody else was there yet, so I went by the photo wall, and there's some plastic plants on the wall here, and I just took a real quick shot. So I had uploaded that. I was thinking of using it in something else, and I thought maybe I should try that image to video. So I went to Runway, the Gen-3 alpha, clicked on image to video, put the image to video. Check this out. It's actually very realistic. There's a few things going on that you can see with the coffee cup here. The coffee cup changes a little bit into another deal. When the video starts, you can see it add the classic AI extra finger thing here, but it disappears quickly. But otherwise, I mean, my facial features look pretty realistic. Movements, motions, nice smile. The mouth movement seems natural for the most part. The clothes are moving fairly naturally. You can see here the plastic plants are moving like they're out in the wind, which was interesting. It actually does a fairly good job of making it look like a outdoor real plant. I mean, even here you can see where the leaves hit me and they ruffle and bounce off a little bit right there. I just thought it was interesting. We'll definitely want to play around with this a little bit more. There's a lot of very cool features on Runway ML. For now, I just want to say if you like this video, like and subscribe, click the update button, the bell to stay aware of the future video updates. We're going to do a lot of interesting things here, and I definitely want you to be notified about them. Until then, thank you as always. Take care, Trailblazers.
PC Show Me.